I knew this was coming. There were warnings.
Banks in Greece are finally back open following 3 weeks of closures and a €7.2 billion loan from the European Commission. Value-added tax is rising from 13% to a staggering 23% on basic consumer goods. The increased austerity will definitely not be welcomed by the already devastated Greek people. They can still only withdraw about $65 per day from their bank accounts. With Social Security disability insolvent by 2016, the Transportation Fund deal expiring the end of this month, and no 2016 budget passed yet, how long until America has to resort to the same straitjacket of economic suppression to feed the oligarch pennies for the peasants? For Greece, the new deadline, or one of them, is October 2015, when a zero deficit clause or mutually agreeable alternative must be passed. The Dow has seen 3 down days in a row this week, wiping out recent gains to once again be slightly down for the year. Combined, it is down 363 points over the last 3 days. The government released its latest statistical propaganda, saying new jobless claims are at the lowest since November 1973. If they are, it's because 20% of Americans have already lost their jobs and stopped looking since 2008. Zero Hedge is reporting that alongside China's announcement of their 600-ton increase in gold reserves, they have dumped up to $224 billion in U.S. Treasuries over the last 3 months. The U.S. Treasury's officially released numbers, which only show up to May, show an increase in China's holdings, but a decrease in Belgium's by over $20 billion. Zero Hedge has exposed Belgium's Euroclear as a conduit for China's forex reserves in additional U.S. treasuries. With the IMF's upcoming meeting in October and China making steps to increase their position in the world financial markets, we could see the big kickoff to the death of the dollar very soon, something so many have been waiting for since 2008. The dollar index is sitting right now at 97, up from 95 a month ago. It's up 7% for the year from 90, but down from its March high of 100. We would have guessed back then to continue to see an increase in the index until the inevitable collapse of the dollar. Now we're not sure if we'll see it over 100 again this year until the euro crashes from the Greek debt crisis. Further solidifying the dollar's inevitable fall is the BRICS Bank opening operations in Shanghai following the 2015 annual BRICS meeting.
So we are talking about a post-Washington consensus here, and for that to be created, the BRICS Bank has to be in the bandwagon.
Also meeting for the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, they agreed to begin the process of making India and Pakistan new full members of the SCO. The Silk Road Economic Belt Project is a key idea being discussed. The recent Iran nuclear deal further bolsters ambitions for increased trading in the East. America's most outspoken billionaire, Donald Trump, seems to be getting a lot of news coverage for his 2016 presidential bid. Trump coverage is visible on CNN, CBS, Fox, and ABC News homepages, even international news like Reuters and RT as well. Silver is now down to $14.80 from $16.60 just a month ago. APMEX and Provident Metals are showing some 1-ounce rounds back in stock, though we don't know how long the shipping delays are from the actual orders at this time. If you are purchasing metals at this time, do share your experiences with us either in the comments section or by email. The question is this commodities collapse a prelude to a stock market crash as it was back in 2008? Oil is now down another $2 to $49 WTI and $56 for Brent crude. Reports are coming out that Texas is handling the oil price drop better than expected. In cryptocurrency news, Bitcoin price is quite stable since last week around $275. Litecoin price has recovered nicely at $3.80, over double what it was earlier this year. It rallied up to $750 on July 10th. Its market cap is only $155 million compared to Bitcoin's $4 billion. The block size debate is still ongoing, and once this is resolved, we could see Bitcoin rally further in the hundreds.